How to install SEEUS95 replacement adhesive strips. There's two sides of protective film. One side is colored, the other side is clear. Take off the blue or red protective film first. Look for the tab, and this will help you peel off the protective film. This side goes on the silicone mask. The clear protective film comes off last. For the nose strip, fold the nose strip in half to help you align the middle of the nose bridge to the middle of the silicone mask. Carefully peel off half the protective film and align it with the nose bridge on the silicone mask. Make sure the sticky side is facing the inside of the silicone mask. Align it to the center of the nose bridge and press firmly down so that the adhesive sticks to the silicone mask. Then carefully peel off the rest of the protective film. Now install the side strips. Remove the protective film that's colored and align the hole which aligns with the hole on the silicone mask. Apply the sticky side down and then press the rest of the adhesive strip to the inside of the silicone mask. Then do the same for the other side. Match and align the slotted hole of the silicone mask to the slotted hole on the replacement adhesive strip. Make sure the sticky side is down so that it adheres to the inside of the silicone mask. Align the edges of the adhesive strip to the edge of the mask. Now look for the clear tab to remove the clear protective film from the adhesive strip. This can be done right before you install the mask to your face.